Hello kids in mathematics. So today we are going to see how we solve simultaneous equations. This time we are going to see how they use the substitution method. I'm going to show you how they do it. So they give an equation that solve the following equation: 2x plus 3x equals to 4 and x minus y equals to 2. So the first thing when you're solving is to first let the first equation, which is 2x plus 3y equals to 4, let this be equation 1, and x minus y equals to 2, let this be equation 2. So after letting this equation, you pick what to make the subject of the formula. You can pick from any equation, you may say. So the simplest one, let me pick from equation 2. What's the equation 2? It is this x minus y equals to 2. You can see that x, so we can see that here we move this y this side, so when y crosses the equal sign, it becomes a plus, it becomes 2 plus y. You name that equation star. So you say we substitute equation star, this star, into now the new equation 1, which we have not used, which is equation 1. So that means where there is x, you're going to put this. So this equation, remember, is 2x plus 3y equals to 4. So where there is x, we are going to substitute in 2 plus y. So we are having 2 into x, which is 2 plus y, plus 3y equals to 4, leaving us with 2 times 2, which is 4. 2 times this, which is 2y, we are opening brackets, plus 3y equals to 4. So what do we remain with here? We move this 4 this side and add this. So 2 plus 3y is 5y. We are collecting like terms, and when 4 crosses the equal signs, it becomes 4. It's a positive, so it becomes a minus. Plus with 5y equals to 0. Divide by 5, divide by 5. So our y will be equal to 0. So to get our x, we come and substitute. Remember, x is equals to 2 plus y from equation star. So x will be 2 plus y, which is 0, which is equals to 2. That is our first example. So to prove whether your answers are correct, you just pick an equation. You can put it as side work to prove your answers. You may prove from x minus y equals to 2. So what is our x? Our x is 2 minus 0, which is equals to 2. You can see 2 is equals to 2. That means our answers are correct. Let's look at example 2. Example 2 is having negative x plus y equals to 4. And 4x minus 2y equals to 5. So we do the first thing is name this equation 1 and this equation 2. Let's use equation 2. From equation 2, this time let's make x the subject of the formula, which is 4x minus 2y equals to 5. This moves this side, becomes 4x. When this crosses a negative, it becomes a positive 2y. But we want to remain with x only. So what do? We divide throughout by 4. When we divide here by 4 and here by 4, remain with x equals to 5 plus 2y over 4. So what do we do to get y? We name this equation star. So we substitute now equation star into the new equation, which is 1, the one that you have not used. The equation 1. Remember, equation 1 is negative x plus y equals to 4. But what is our value of x here, which is 5 plus 2y over negative into 5 plus 2y over 4 plus now our y equals to 4. Where there is x, put the other value that we got. When we put this negative, it becomes negative 5 minus 2y. When this negative multiplies this negative, it also makes it a negative, over 4 plus y equals to 4. So how are we going to solve this? It's first removing this denominator. So to remove this denominator, multiply this denominator throughout. That means negative 5 minus 2y over 4. This is what I mean, equals to 4. Multiply here by 4, multiply here by 4, and multiply here by 4. This 4 goes with this remain with negative 5 minus 2y. 4 times y becomes 4y, and 4 times 4 it becomes 16. So we collect like terms. This side remain with negative 2y plus 4y. This 5 crosses, it becomes 16, but since it's a negative, when it crosses it becomes a positive plus 5. So what do we remain with here? We remain with negative 2y plus 4y, leaving us with 2y. And here what are we having? We are having 16 plus 5, leaving us with a 21. We divide here by 2, and we divide also this by 2. Our answer of example 1 will be that our y will be equal to 21 over 2. So to get our x, we just get, remember x is equals to 5 plus 2y over 4. Just come and substitute in 5 plus 2. What is our y? Our y is 21 over 2 over 4. This 2 goes with this 2. Remain with 5 plus 21, and so plus 21 over 2, leaving us with 26. Yes, leaving us with 26 over 4. So by 2 it gives us 2, by 2 gives us 13, leaving us with 13 over 2, which is our value of x. Thank you very much.